Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on to show you guys my DIY cornice that I've made. So I've been wanting to do this for a long time in my sunroom, and I just wanted some bling in there. So I created this, but I'm gonna tell you what, if I ever do this again, I will never buy individual pieces. I'll get it on a wrap because it's easier to do with the hot glue gun than sticking these pieces one by one. Anyway, my granddaughter helped me out some with some of the cutting of the strips, but we literally went outside in the front yard, in the driveway, and stripped and cut down I cut down 8 pieces of cardboard, and I kind of just eyeballed it as far as size because I know I didn't want it too big. I just wanted just a nice little strip. But anyway, we did that. This whole process, I think, took me about 2 days to do. And that's just taking my time. Threw me on a good old black and white movie and sat back and started gluing all the beads to the board. And that was very much so time consuming. So that's why I say I'll never do individual pieces again. But the process of it was really simple and easy. So I hope you guys enjoy this. As you see at the end, it really did not connect very tightly with the curtains, but I'm thinking maybe what I should have done instead of using the alien tape is probably use just some, what do you call it? I have to use something else. Maybe Velcro would have been an easier suggestion on, or not suggestion, but an easier way of doing it versus using this alien tape because it really didn't hold it well. I got it up there, but anyway, here's the video, y'all. Enjoy.
But she didn't give me no sign, nothing that would make me change my mind. I would like to start all over again. Baby, can I change my mind? Please, 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 baby, I just wanna change my mind. Oh, I played my games many of times before, but people, let me tell y'all, oh, I never reached the door. But ooh, the wind is out tonight. I keep looking back, but my baby's not in sight. I would like to start all over again. Baby, can I change my mind? Baby, let me change my mind. I'm so sorry, baby. Baby, I love you. Baby, I need you. I got to have you. Baby, I want you. Oh, baby. Baby. I got to have you. Oh, baby. Baby, can I change my mind? Show love, sweet thing. I reached the turning point in my life. I reached the turning point, Lord, 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 in my life. I used to stay out all night long, used to do a whole lot of wrong, and I don't know where I would end up If that sweet thing and come along, said that sweet thing and come along, no more running around for me, finally settling down. I reached the turning point in my life. I reached the turning point, Lord, 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 in my life. I met a girl. She's 1 out of 110, and she don't get excited now by those slick talking men. She's a whiz around the house, neat as a pin. If I got a hole in my sock, got a hole in my shirt, sweet thing she'll mend. No more staying out late for me, no more narrow escape. I reached the turning point in my life. I reached the turning point, Lord, 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 in my life. Yeah. Show love, sweet thing. Oh, I love you. No more running around for me, finally settling down. It's the turning point in my life. I reached the turning point, Lord, 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 in my life. Say I don't know where I would end up if that sweet thing ain't come along. Said that sweet thing ain't come along, that I might have been locked up. you won't talk to me. just wanna